we'll see about monitoring. Okay, you have a infrastructure. You have a infrastructure means you have a servers. You have a servers, data storage devices like a storage devices, routers, switches, firewalls, regular desktops. Okay, computers, normal computers are there, laptops are there. Okay, so the and physical environment, physical access, network communication between devices or, through entire network or the switches or routers. Okay, so these are all your infrastructure part. You have to monitor your entire infrastructure. Different type of monitoring is there. One is like a you have a devices is on or off condition. When you are monitoring, you can see the devices are on condition or off condition. We will get it that information. So if you see here it is servers, how many servers are there? Volumetric means how many are you are getting that is no, you are unable to see that server. So the server is down. How we know server is down? It means so we are not getting anything related to the system or a server or a device. That kind of information and it's showing like off. If it is on, then it is okay. If it is off, then it shows like a device is unable to find or a device is not available, disconnected or off condition like that. Resource monitoring. Generally in my PC, I am monitoring like I want to monitor my resources. You can see like my process, my CPU, my memory, my disk are like this. I am try to monitor. Or I will monitor my performance monitoring, like how is my CPU, how is my memory, how is my disk. This is resource monitor. The bottom one you can see, this is a resource monitor. So what is about your CPU, how it is performance of CPU, what are the services are running and their status, how it is, disk related, network related. It's a power unit. It's only CPU. Process services, associated handles, is only CPU related. This is only memory related. How much is you have a total RAM, how much you got a free standby and other kind of stuff. Disk related, network related resources. Guys, this is for a one single PC. I am personally checking my PC, for example. I'm checking my PC personally. But you have a lot of devices. You cannot go to each and every PC, right? What we need some application or a software, whatever it is you put it. So we'll get that information from these devices to our centralized PC about your servers, networking devices, storage devices, desktops, laptops, those who are connected in the network, their information will gather and display on the dashboard. To use this one, so we need a protocol called a SNMP protocol. So we use SNMP protocol, simple network management protocol. Use it to use data monitoring devices. So here it is on or off condition of devices, resource monitoring, performance monitoring of devices, application performance monitoring means a particular application how much it is utilizing. You are running an application, your system in that particular application, how much it is utilizing, CPU, memory, and all. Or you can go to in a, not a direct performance. There is a computer management is there. So go to computer management. So one single processor or a single application, how much it is utilizing your CPU, RAM, network, or a graphic card, or like that. So one CPU performance you can get. performance. So in this one, monitoring tools, performance monitoring. Here you have to customize what is the application or what is the CPU or RAM and all. So what is you want to monitor, then you will get a graphical part. Okay. So that is application performance. Monitoring means an application, how much it is utilizing your CPU, RAM and all. For example, some applications, it's look like a big application, but it consumes very less resources like a CPU, RAM, disk, and network utilization is very less. Some are look like a very lightweight. It overly utilize your resources. Compulsory monitor this kind of applications when it is working. Okay, while it is working, please monitor this application so then we can able to rectify or modify this application to improve its performance. Okay, process monitoring, network monitoring. So in a network monitoring, max to max you will get it like what are the devices on or off condition, wake on LAN or a network connectivity, IP addresses, network load on the server or switches, routers, traffic, entire network traffic, so protocols, port numbers, everything we can able to monitor depends upon the monitoring. Different tools are there, guys. One is a Nagios. Nagios is a Nagios XI. It is so a tool. Nagios XI. Okay, so this is directly we can download from the main website. It provide a 60 days of access. So you can see. So this is you can download a free trial or you can try online demo is also there. Maybe it is a YouTube video. You can try YouTube video at least. Nagios pricing. So different costs are there. So it is a standard edition, enterprise edition. What are the things you will get it using this one? But what is the requirement? See 20 GB hard disk, 2 GB memory, dual core processor is minimum. So internally database is SQL or MariaDB plus PostgreSQL if running version less than. Operating system, you can use CentOS, Red Hat Enterprise Linux, Ubuntu. That is for installing application directly, but we can directly download. Go to download, you will get a virtual machine directly. So directly we can download virtual machine. See, Microsoft base, VMware base, Linux base, you can download. You can download from here. So Microsoft VMware workstation, ESXi vSphere, you can download. But if you download, you don't know what to do with it because you don't know how to work with the VMware workstation. Okay, so just I'll download. So you will get this is installation guide anyway. So click on download. Then you have to give the details. So first download OVA file and you open in the VMware part. Okay, so then actually there is see IP addresses will be there. So it is a machine here. Look like this one. It's a virtual machine. You can access this kind of stuff with your desktop web browser. Okay, I cannot show you the setup if you want. Again, we have to specially put a one of day like that. You can able to download. Okay, so now I'm not touching anything, guys. It is a trial version. Next one is Zabbix. Zabbix is also a very good tool, like in Nagios, but Zabbix is a open source. Open source. It means if you want to develop Zabbix, also you can do it. Source code is free. Same way, it is also used to open source to monitor IT infrastructure such as a network, servers, virtual machines, cloud services. So Zabbix collect and display the basic metrics. You can download repository from Git repositories given. This is Zabbix. You can download freely, but you should know what to download and all. This is a separate one. So features, integration, document, solution. Why it is? Yeah, it is directly download button is there. So you want a package type or a image type, appliances type. Appliances. You want to install application into your Linux kind of stuff, then you can download these packages. You want a cloud images, then you can download this. You want a containers, means Docker containers kind of stuff, you can get it from. Appliances, as I said, it is a virtual machine. Appliances means pre-installed. What is a appliance? Like you have a AC, a refrigerator, mixer grinder. Those are all home appliances, kitchen appliances, right? Same way, in our appliances appliance means pre-installed virtual machine. Pre-installed virtual machine. It is here. I want appliances for my VMware. So then I will download appliances, or I will take ISO file and download ISO file. I can install. It is not required to purchase anything, but if you need a support, you have to pay for it. Okay. Resource sources. You can take a repository and you can use it, or you can develop it also. Sources. This is a Zabbix agents, which we are installing in the client PCs. Agents. Okay. So this is the Zabbix PRTG. PRTG. What is PRTG? PRTG also a monitoring tool, which is network monitoring purpose. Network monitoring. Also, it will get on or off condition of systems, how many devices in your network, okay, what is their status, everything we can get it from the, you can see it is not this one, this is see, the devices, their status, their conditions. So this is the dashboard of PRTG. New Relic. New Relic is a application monitoring tool. Application monitor or a application performance monitoring. Application performance monitoring. New Relic. WhatsUp Gold is a more like a monitoring and a log analysis. WhatsUp Gold is more like a log analysis. You may think WhatsApp Gold is came after okay. It is came after your WhatsApp. No, guys. It is a very old one. So you can see it is also will show the events is occur in different places, different infrastructure locations, and log management also it will do. Splunk is also log analysis. I have written here, but I have written here also. Splunk is also a log management. WireShark is like this. WireShark is a network related network analysis tool. Okay. What are the packets and received through the network? You can get it through the WireShark. Okay, Solarwinds, network performance monitor. It is also a network monitor. Here's some information, guys. What is a Zabbix? What is PRTG? What is WhatsApp Gold? What is network performance? What is a Splunk? What is New Relic? So I have taken some information. I put it here. If you want to go through that installation or downloading of Nagios, I have taken a copy of the links. This is also Zabbix. Okay, so this is about your monitoring. And so one point we are missing here, so that is service desk. Or softwares. Service desk, or we can say help desk. or softwares. So one of the important tool, like lot of tools are there, guys. Even if you are possible to learn through YouTube kind of stuff or from anyone, the highly demanded tool is Service now. BMC Helix. In BMC Helix, there is a demo version is also there, right? BMC Helix ITSM. So compulsory you have to specify ITSM. Okay, this is how it is look like, but I'm going to all. So it is BMC Helix ITSM. So you can go to free trial. You go to free trial. Which one you want to see the free trial part? Okay, ITSM or Control M, workflow or like that. You can see this is our ITSM. Go to BMCLX ITSM, try now. Fill these things. You can put any name, guys, no problem, because it's a demo version. It's not asking you to give a compulsory correct information. It's not there, right? So you want to give a correct information, that is up to you. And here two columns are there. One is a business email. Business email is not your Gmail. First remember, Gmail, Yahoo Mail won't work here. You have to give something at the rate like this. For example, I'll give like a Latif at the rate Junkin.com, or maybe I'll put a star.com, or maybe CMS.com. Okay, something. When you give an email ID, okay, so compulsory some name, some whatever it is name, and some domain name, .com or something, you have to give. So not required correctly, existing one not required. Okay, not required. So main important, out of all these things, we can fill correct information, wrong information, that is your wish. But business email ID is not your Gmail ID. So you have to check these things, start your trial. Then you can see a BMC Helix tool on your screen, the trial version. So you can create a tickets also. You can create a ticket also. Last one batch, mainly this of the SD batch only, they asked me, so from I explained them how to log in. How to log into BMC Helix, that is Service Desk 4. Okay. So this is, I've taken how to log in and all. Now I showed, so same way you can go to this BMC Helix. Okay, then try once. Okay, guys. So when you are having a free today or tomorrow, okay, just go through once. Creating a, you don't require to give anything correct information, but important is knowing how BMC Helix is there. Next one is, as I said, Service now. Service now demo means it's a only video. That too you have to give proper information. Then only you can see a demo video, not a demo practice. BMC Helix ITSM will give you demo practice. Okay, it will give for a demo practice. Give practice. Next, of course, Zoho, Zira. In Zira, multiple things are there. So one of the thing, Zira Service Desk or ITSM. Okay, OIS ticket. OIS ticket. So GLBI. LPI. So many are there, guys. It's not a Zaha, Zoho. You can try like this in here. So help desk or a service desk tools. So you can, so tools like Zoho. Yeah, one more is there. It is fresh service. This is also free, but you have to give all the information correctly. RE, this is fresh service. It is showing color in different way here. So fresh desk, fresh service. Okay, this is a font. They changed the name to font front.com. Maybe we use this is service, fresh service. Okay, so simple email ID is enough to get it. Completely cloud-based services. So you can tell like a service desk or a tools or a softwares list. So you can go to some websites, you will find cities. Zendesk is one of the server, one of the help desk tools software, Zendesk. I tried one ticket demo version. GLP I installed and also shows demo versions lot of time. But I installed this one. I installed this one. This is Jira tried, but not working. So it's a Zendesk on premises efficient products. It is not showing. Here it is giving some tools. Atlassian is a Jira, Atlassian, Jira, and other tools also there. And one more I have to give, that is the final one is service desk. No, not service desk. My name only, Latif. Tech notes. Guys, this is the site I created. Google site it is. So no need to pay. It is a kind of blogger only. Just it is a site. Also go through this one and I will give you subcategories. Here, importantly, if you click here, you can see service operations. So this is about a service operations, event, alert, incident kind of stuff. Okay, and different type of service desk are there. You can see different type of service desk also can get it. This is ITIL, life cycles and internal life cycles. So this is the first one is service operations. This is service operations. Inside, you can find incident management guide. So any incident is occur, so how to manage it? It is a good theory part. This information also I have taken from BMC. And also I provided links. So from where I got this one, I provided links. Second one is service desk. Service desk top 25 questions I taken from Guru 99. So there is a service desk or a help desk questions. Next, service desk levels. So service desk having a basically 4 levels. Okay. Level 0, level 1, level 2, level 3 plus level 4 is an optional one. So level 0 is a mostly like a self-help user related informations. So this is a tier 1. It is a basic solution service desk deliveries. Okay, like changing passwords, issue resolving, basic support is there. In-depth technical knowledge is required if you are going to L2 level. L3 level is experts, managers, or designers. Those are all there. So these are different service desk levels are there. L0, L1, L2, L3, L4 totally that part. But L0, L1, L2, L3 is important. Okay. So L0 means it is a kind of self-help type only, providing certain information, pre-loaded information, or understand what is the customer is asking. So you have to give that information according. L1 is a basic support. Actually, it is basically will resolve the issues. Small issues are there, password changing, system you're not able to get internet. So small information will do it. If you're unable to resolve the issues, then you have to escalate the information, escalate the ticket to the service desk too. So what is it? It's in-depth technical knowledge. There is strong knowledge. So they must resolve the issues. Okay, they must resolve the issues. So complete change or is required. Then only we have to escalate it to L3. Complete product support. So some are this are there. Okay, so compulsory go through those things, guys. What I said, service operations. Under service operations, you can see incident management. Next one is service desk. What is the service desk? And there 25 questions, service desk levels, and some more information under it. Just go and check it. So if you don't unable to read it, it is not a problem. Also, you can download information directly from here. Things are there. Okay, so that is what I'm trying to say. These are the service desk tools or softwares we use in a service help desk kind of stuff. Not only this, there is a multiple things are there, but minimum knowledge. Okay, so service now is more highlighted, and BMC Helix, you have a practice demo is possible, so compulsory try it. Zira is also paid versions. These are all paid versions. OS ticket, you can you should know how to install it. GLPA also like this. Okay, so this is monitoring tools and about a monitoring. This is ticketing tools and service desk tools. Okay, whether what are the position you are working or work you want to work, but these tools are common. These tools are common. Okay, whatever it is, what is your work, that is different point, but these tools are common. Okay, that's it for today. So I think so. Already people are sleeping or dead or so. So we can go through the ideal, but tomorrow, if possible, I will give you this kind of information. I will jump to other topic otherwise. Okay. Compulsory
Okay, sir.
read. Yeah. Compulsory read all these things. Practice answering. Compulsory question.